Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegetable soup from a packet. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of your favorite vegetable soup mix, about 4 cups of water, and any extra fresh vegetables you might want to add, like a handful of spinach or some diced carrots. Select a medium-sized pot, roughly 2-quart capacity, and have a whisk or spoon handy. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process, making delicious soup in under 15 minutes. Now, carefully empty the entire packet of vegetable soup mix into your pot. Next, slowly pour in the recommended amount of water, typically 4 cups, while continuously whisking to prevent any lumps from forming. This ensures a smooth, consistent base for your soup. Once combined, place the pot on your stovetop and bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. After the soup reaches a boil, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer gently for about 10 to 15 minutes. Remember to stir it occasionally, perhaps every 2 or 3 minutes, to ensure even cooking and prevent anything from sticking to the bottom of the pot. If you're adding fresh vegetables, like a 1/4 cup of peas or corn, stir them in during the last 5 minutes of simmering. Once your soup has simmered for the recommended time and the vegetables are tender, remove the pot from the heat. The soup should have thickened slightly, indicating it's ready. Carefully ladle the steaming hot vegetable soup into individual bowls. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Enjoy your quick and easy homemade soup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.